You are wondering what Tantra is? Or you know it. Honestly, even if you know it, let's explore it in a new way right now. It is like being in the nature. There is always something new to explore. Are you curious? No leaf in the wind is moving in the same way like the day before. There's always movement and transformation. How do you know what something is if you are not exploring it? I believe everybody who you will ask what Tantra is, everybody will give you another answer, and they are all right. That's the beauty of the collective. The inspiration I want to give you today. Go out, focus on something. What takes your whole awareness right now? Observe it, see it like it is. Be fully present, whether it's a leaf, a feeling, a sound. Tan means energy, and Tra means how you express it. So you can be totally focused on one thing and still be aware of your whole surrounding.